ECN Trade Technical Webinar. Good morning, my name is Rob Clayton. Well, the Australian dollar challenged the upside again on Friday after Thursday's rebound from the 75 region. From the rejection of that bear camp of 76.30.60, it's seen the technicals turning around and now looking towards the support at 75.85. In light of the current rejection from that region of 76.35.60, does put further stress to the downside, and this rally should now be nearly near its end and looking towards 74 cents eventually. However, we do need to see the challenge underneath 85 of 75.40.45 first. Any advances on the day should still be contained by that level of 35 to 60 on 76. The euro objective of 109.50.70 achieved. Now where do we go from here? Well, we are slightly oversold. However, the dollar index is still showing further upside potential. This in terms would see a break of 109.50, open away towards 108.25, 40 and lower with an objective of 107.40.70. Resistance on the day now comes in at 110.20 minor and slightly higher at 110.60, which was Friday's cap, should continue today. Dollar yen still holding to the bullish uptrend and still looking to go high with the objective holding at 105.55 to 85. In light of this uptrend, if we look at the 4-hour technical pattern, clearly holding, and while we maintain above 103.45.55, then I'm still bullish towards that 105 region. It would need to see a break of the two levels, firstly of course of 103.45 and then underneath there at 102.70, which would open way towards the downside. You can see here at the 80 level, open towards the downside around 101.20 to 25. But in light of how strong this trend is, I'm still supportive that dollar yen will eventually climb higher. The pound is still very much in a downtrend and holding now around the resistance of 122.40.55. In light of the current pattern, I expect to see further weakness and eventually see another move down to retest the where the flash crash was around that 118 to 119 region. As I mentioned, the top side 122.40.55, a break there would see stops triggered and short covering up to a potential target around 123.75.95 and higher towards 124. But let's see how today plays out and if we can break above that 122 level, which comes in at, say, at what, 45. Gold still very much bearish and still not showing any recovery. However, the trend is indicating and we are oversold. In light of the current pattern in the last 9 days of not being able to rebound, a break of 40 would see further weakness, though caution to the short side, as we could see a rebound from that 28.30 level and see a rally up towards that 68 level, which could progress on towards 82. So I'm not overly bearish on gold, but there's still a little bit more weakness to come through. And to wrap with oil, still keeping underneath that $52 a barrel. With the resistance capped around that 52.20, I expect to see further weakness towards 49.40, then lower towards a potential target of $46 a barrel. With the 4 hours technical time frame still looking very weak, should eventually see that move to the downside. A break of 52.20 would negate any bearish call and instead put an objective towards 43.25 to about $55 a barrel, but this looks uncertain at this stage. So thank you very much for joining me for my intraday webinar. I hope you enjoy the day ahead.